Lesson 18 of CKLA Skills. Today, we will read and write words with the U sound. We will practice reading the story Jump, and we will be assessed on our story after we read it. If you were a distance learner and you are at home and you can practice this small group or practice it with someone at home, definitely practice reading aloud for fluency on the story Jump. Okay, please take out these worksheets. You're going to look in your packet and find 18.1, and it's going to show a set of words with the U sound. The words have been sorted into columns according to the spelling used for the U. Quickly read the words aloud in each column. Okay, you can pause the video now, and you need to find someone at home to read these aloud to. We're on page 101. All of your U's are going to say the long U. They're all going to say U. The first column is U consonant E. Next column is your U that has your open syllable. And your last one is UE, which says U. So when you are finished reading them aloud, you may unpause the video for the next set of directions. Lesson 18.2, so you're going to find it. You should have it beside 18.1. So this is page 103. You're going to answer the questions on page 182 or 18.2 with the words on 18.1. So let's work on a few together. Number 1, which spelling for UE is the least common? So when you're looking at your choices, see which one is used the least in these spellings. The UE, good. So UE is the least common that you see. Number 2, where does the spelling UE tend to be found in a word? So look at your UE column. It's that last column. Is UE in the beginning, the middle, or the end? It's in the middle. Good. All right, last one that we're going to do together. Look at number 3. Which word in the chart looks like a horse with a horn? Which word in the chart looks like a horse with a horn? Look through your choices. A unicorn. Very good. So you're going to complete 18.2 using the words with long U on 18.1. Okay, now you are going to find the story Jump in your packet. You can pause the video if you need to find the story Jump. Now, if you're a distance learner or if you're in class, you can also use your Clever. And on Amplify, there is your library. If you go to Clever and find your Amplify, on the library, we are looking at the book that goes along with Unit 3, and we are on the story Jump. Now, when you're finished partner reading, so you need to find someone at home to read the story to. So you're going to read the story aloud for fluency. If you would like to have someone read the story to you first, if you're struggling with a lot of the words, practice reading it yourself and then practice reading it with someone at home. But you need to read it aloud to someone on your own. So take time now and pause the video and read the story Jump. After you have finished the story Jump, you are going to complete workbook page 105, which says 18.3 at the top. You are going to use text evidence. So find the answer in the story, look in the story, circle the answers, use text evidence to answer the questions on page 18.3. Now before you go, let's review your learning targets, or I can statements. We can read and write sounds with the U. We use U, UE, and U consonant E. And we practice reading our story Jump for fluency. And we are also answering those comprehension questions. So there's two parts of reading. There's fluency, and then there's comprehension. So we're showing that we know both using that story Jump. Have a great day, and see you tomorrow.